Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your card collection on the Rush Royale application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This will take a 5 minutes when the application is uploading. And you click to the second option at the bottom of the screen, the card icon. And here you can check your card collection and the cards not found collection. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.